Hello, ma'am, sir. Good morning. To my future employee, I am Febjane D. Bakaya, and I am a 25 years old from Dupagan, Bayao, Pinokpok, Kalinga. And I have a partner in life. He is Oliver James B. Sakla, and we are blessed because we have one son. He is Tristan James B. Sakla, 6 years old, and my experience since 2021 to 2024 as an working student in the house of my teacher. They are blessed too because they have two kids, and 8 years old and 10 years old, girl and boy. And in their house, as a student, working student, I'm doing household chores like cooking, washing their clothes, washing their dishes, and took their children in the school and took back in their house. And I worked to them as 4 years in 4 years, and after my graduation, I talked to my teacher that I want to work in the Korean Mart to the financial support of my one and only son. That's why he said okay. And after my graduation, I go to the Korean Mart and work as a waitress. And in that Korean Mart, I have experience in doing cooking Korean foods like odeng, like Korean noodles, like kimchi. And after that, my aunt told me that uh, I'm going to apply abroad because my son is need to financial support because she is studying now, and I am now here in front of you, my dear employee, to uh, apply abroad. And I hope uh, you can take me as soon as possible. And thank you, ma'am and sir, and God bless to your family. Thank you.